Gotta put this chicken in grease. I'm scared. I'm so hungry though. Don't be no punk. Don't be no punk. On 3. 1, 2. Ah! Oh God. I want some French fries too. Crap. Oh, that was close. I'm too big for all this rain. Hey. What's up, bro? Who are you? Listen. How long you been here? You worrying about the wrong thing. It don't matter who I am, and it don't matter how long I've been here. Actually, I've been here about 3 weeks. My butt gone numb, but it's all right. I'm willing to die for these fries, fam. Do you want these fries or not? Yes, bruh. Well, listen to what I gotta say then. Check it. I'm gonna slide you the fries, and I'm gonna create a diversion with my bad hip, okay? It's a good chance I'm gonna die. Live for this, fam. All right? Okay. Okay? Okay, man. All right. I got him. Got the fries, bro. You ready, fam? Okay. Chicken chunks and French fries for life! Ah! Oh, God. They killed him. Oh, they shot him. Why you didn't go, fam? I didn't know when to go out, man. Like you just kind of came and I wasn't ready. When I move, you move. Just like that. Oh, I feel like. I thought you said you were willing to die for this. I lied. I wasn't really ready to die for no fries. Man, that's the wrong time to be playing, fam. That's the wrong time to be playing, fam. Just remember though, you eating them fries and them chicken chunks, fam. Eat one for me, fam. Okay. I got you, bro. Take the sauce and just put it all over the fries for me, fam. Okay. Dip the chicken in the sauce, man. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce, man. Right. I got you, fam. Okay. Don't doubt me, bro. Don't doubt me, man. Excuse me. Just a little gas. Go.